stuck mudding in my truck down those ruts on Big Pond Road. Speakers blast Sweet Home Alabama, and Gary pulled his 12-gauge, shot Lamar's tailgate on his old four-wheel drive right through the Chevy bow tie. That caused one hell of a fight. Yeah, being bad, that's what us good old boys are good at. I know she wants a man just like her mama had. Sunday morning holding her hand, confessing all her sins. Yeah, give that preacher an amen. I've got a wild side, they say a country mile wide. She thought she could pin me up and tie me down, but that didn't work out like she planned.